Hello and welcome to Ziro. In this video I'm going to show you how to build one of the simplest robots that you can make with Ziro and also one of the most fun ones. So what we're going to need is we're going to need 2 jackets, 2 wheels, the 2 Ziro modules, 2 of the 4-way connectors, 1 of these short little guy here, and the caster wheel. Okay, so to start what we need to do is we grab one of the jackets and we connect with the 4-way pin. We connect in this orientation, one of the bags, and then we do the same for the back side of it. Okay, now what we do is, with the other side of the jacket, we just put them together. And okay, and here we have the base for it. Now, what we want to do is, we get the caster wheel, and then we connect our 2 side peg, which is then gonna be introduced here on the back part of it. Now, what we wanna do is, we use the modules, we connect the wheel to them, introduce, do the same here. Remember to make sure that we connect to the motorized part of it. Now, what we do is, we connect one of the modules on one side, the other module on the other side, and there we have it. One of the simplest and most fun robots to make with Ziro. Now, to control the trike, we can either use our mobile controller or we can use the glove. Let's start with the glove. So, first of all, we need to make sure that our glove is on and ready to go, and then we click on one of the modules, whichever one of them, and it's gonna blink and connect to the glove. And now we should be good to go. So if I just press the button twice, or on the glove, or if I shake it up and down, I should be good to go. As soon as the LED turns green, I should be able now to control my trike. To control the trike, the movements are pretty much the same as the rover. So if I want to go forward, if I want to go backward, these are the same movements that we would be doing for the rover. Now, to control using the mobile device, what we can do is, first we need to connect the phone to module 00. You need to turn on the modules, go to the Wi-Fi list on your mobile device, and look for the Wi-Fi named module-yourkitid-00, as you can see in this video. The password is ZiroKits in lowercase. Now, what we do is we click on mobile control, and then we go to rover robot because the configuration is the same, and then we can start controlling just as we would do for the rover. You can also change the speed a little bit, or a little bit slower, and then this is how you control the trike using